Hi beautiful people, you are welcome to my kitchen. So how are you doing? Well, today I'll be showing you how I bake this banana bread. So into the bowl is the bananas, and I'm going to use the potato masher to crush it until it is melted. So right now it's melted, so I'm going to add in the cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, an egg, then brown sugar, and I'm going to add in the white sugar, vanilla essence, again. Then I'm going to add in the milk, and after that I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix them all together. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to add in the melted butter, and right now I just added the flour again, and I'm going to add in the baking powder, and I'm going to add in the baking soda again. So right now I'm going to combine them all together. So I've already prepared the bread pan. So I'm turning in the batter into the bread pan. So that one is not enough, so I'm going to turn the leftover batter into the mini bread pan. So the oven is already heated, so I'm going to take them and put them in the oven, and it is ready. Look at it, looking so fresh, beautiful, moist. See how beautiful it looks. Moist, soft, and fresh, and it tastes really good, and everyone loved it. So thank you so much for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos and comment and like. Thank you. Do have a great day. Bye bye.